Bazishan, and today we discuss the topic hacking and ethical hacking, the process of attempting to gain or successful gain to an unauthorized access to computer resource is called hacking. Also known as penetration testing or a wide hat hacking involve the same jobs, tricks and techniques that hacker use, but with one major difference that ethical hacker is illegal. Ethical hacking, the independent computer security professional breaking into computer system, neither damage the target system nor steal the information, evaluate target system security and report back to owner about the bug found. So let's discuss who are hackers. A computer hacker is a computer expert who use their technical knowledge to achieve a goal or overcome an obstacle within a computerized system. A person who enjoy actual doing the programming rather than just theorize about it. Why do hacker hack? Just for fun? Show off, hack other system, secretly modify many people, their thoughts, stealing more important information, destroy enemy computer network during the war. There are basically three types of hackers: black hat hacker, grey hat hackers, and white hat hackers. First, black hat hackers. A black hat hacker or a cracker are individually in extraordinary computing skills, restoring a malicious destructive activities. The black hat hackers are use their knowledge and skills for their own personal gain, probably by hunting others. White hat hackers. White hat hackers are those individual professionally hackers skills and using them for defensive purpose. The, this means that the white hat hackers was their knowledge and skills for the good of other and for the common good things. Grey hat hackers, those individuals who work both offensive and defensively at various times. We could not predict their behavior. Sometimes they are using their skill for the common good while in some times he use them for their personal gain. There are different processes of hacking: footprinting, scanning, gaining access, maintaining access. So now we discuss that how we become a ethical hacker. Microsoft skills in operation, configuration and management. Linux, knowledge of Linux, Unix, security setting, configuration and services. Firewall configuration. Routers, knowledge of routers, routing protocols and access control list. Mainframe, knowledge of mainframe, network protocol, TCP IP, they function and can be manipulated. Project management, leading, planning, organization and controlling a penetration test team. To catch a thief, you have to think like a thief, helping closing the open hole in the system network, providing security to ban the financial establishment, and involving techniques. Now we can see what we do against hacking or to protect ourselves from hacking. The first thing we should do is to keep ourselves updated about the software we are using official by reliable resources. Educate the employees and the users against the black hat hackers. Thank you.